We've all heard that cats aren't exactly known for their bravery, what with their tendency to run away when they sense danger. But should it have such a bad rep? Perhaps we ought to reconsider how we view them. Why? Because we're going to investigate some of the most lethal felines and talk about what they can accomplish today. Well, so let's begin. Caracal Cat. The caracal is a wild cat of the cat family that resembles a miniature lion. Their range extends from South Africa to India, from the savannah to sunny deserts and mountains. Before striking straight at its target or killing it with a side swipe of the forepaw, a caracal stalks its victims from a close distance. Due to its speed and agility, the caracal is a skilled hunter who can dispatch prey that is 2 to 3 times its size. Caracals hunt at night and are opportunistic feeders, chasing after rodents and mongooses. Caracals can occasionally attack and kill domestic livestock as well as large mammals like impalas and newborn kudus. Hence, keeping them as pets would be a little absurd. Cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest land animal in the world, with a top speed of 70 miles per hour. They have long, graceful legs, a small rounded head on a long neck, a very flexible spine, a deep chest, special pads on their feet that help with traction, and a long tail that is used for balance at top speed. They stand about 30 inches tall at the shoulder and weigh between 110 and 140 pounds. Although they will also hunt small animals and birds, cheetahs mostly prey on tiny antelopes like Thompson's gazelles and impalas. Cheetahs like daytime hunting, especially in the early morning or early evening, unlike the majority of other cats. Safe to say they are not domesticated cats. Eurasian Lynx. The largest of the 4 lynx species and the largest cat in Europe is the Eurasian lynx. Lynx can be found in all temperate zones, from Western Europe to Central Asia. The enormous, densely furred paws of the lynx, which are rather lengthy for their size and function as snowshoes in the winter, enable the lynx to go over heavy snow with ease. Typical feline features include a round head, a short snout, and unique ears covered with black hair. A short tail with a black tip is another distinguishing characteristic. Surprisingly, the Eurasian lynx is Europe's 3rd largest predator, behind the brown bear and the wolf. This cat is extremely agile and can jump up to 5 meters in length. They are capable of climbing tall trees thanks to their 5-centimeter long claws. These cats are capable of killing prey weighing anything from 15 kilograms of musk deer to 220 kilograms of adult male red deer, but they prefer smaller ungulate prey like roe deer and musk deer. Serval Cat. These African wildcats, called servals, can weigh up to 50 pounds. They have the longest legs, proportionally speaking, of any cat species and resemble cheetahs in appearance. Servals can run at speeds over 50 miles per hour, but they typically use their long legs to follow their victim before a pounce, in contrast to cheetahs who just outrun their prey. The serval cat's large ears could be its most notable feature. A serval's enormous ears are so positioned directly on top of the head that they completely encircle the top of the skull. These cats are not a threat to humans, but they can attack if not treated well. So think twice before deciding to keep it as a pet. These cats mostly prey on rodents, insects, and reptiles. Even if you decide to keep them as pets, you'd better give them their own bed outside the house because they can become aggressive at times and will not shy from attacking their own owner. If you intend to keep them as a pet, good luck then. Pallas Cat. The Pallas cat, also known as the mannel, is a small wild cat that has adapted perfectly to the harsh conditions of its habitat. In 1776, German naturalist Peter Pallas first identified the cat as Felis manul. The Mongolian language is where the word manul first appeared. The Pallas cats may appear fluffy and cute, but they are actually ferocious wildcats. Befitting their temperament, Pallas cats are renowned for having the worst behavior of any feline breed. They prefer to spend time alone in their dens rather than interacting. Keep this in mind the next time you consider disturbing it. Savannah Cat. Savannah cats are a distinctive breed. These magnificent creatures attract cat enthusiasts with their slim, muscular physiques, lovely spotted coats, and dog-like attitudes. Although Savannah cats are not dangerous, they nevertheless exhibit some of their predecessors' wild qualities, such as a high prey drive, an unpredictable temper, and hyperactivity. If you are thinking of getting one, make sure to take extra measures and be ready to fulfill their unique needs, since if those needs aren't met, they might become extremely aggressive and difficult to control. Possession of them is illegal in various places, including Alaska, Hawaii, Oregon, and Washington, due to their violent temperament. Keep it if you can fulfill all of its wishes, otherwise you should probably avoid doing so. That's all for today. Tell us what you think about these dangerous cats, and if you enjoyed this video, press the like button and do subscribe to our channel to watch more fascinating videos like these.